Hello friends, in the next edition we will like to discuss the concept of percentages. In the topic of percentage, the questions are not very tough. The only magic lies in how fast you are able to solve the question, and you will be only able to solve the question in a fast manner if you are able to solve the percentages by the help of fractions. For example, if I ask you 37.5% of 6400, what is the answer? Time up. If I say 37.5% is 3 by 8 of 6400, it becomes 2400. Another question. If I ask 7 by 9% of 8100, time up. 7 by 9 is known as 7 by 9, so it becomes 7 by 9 of 8100. It becomes 6300. Now if I take you back to the questions, there were two parts of the calculation. First part, second part. If I analyze the problem was not because of the second part, it was because of the first part. If I simply knew the fraction of the given percentage, I would have simply replaced it by 3 by 8, and this number being the multiple of 6400, we could have simply cancelled 8 into 8, 64, and 3 into 8 is 2400. If I knew the percentage equivalent for 7 by 9, then I could have simply replaced it by 7 by 9 and multiplied it with 8100. So 9 into 9 is 81, so 7 into 9 is 6300. In the next unit, I will be taking up the concept of memorizing the percentages along with their fractions. To start off with the percentage chart, let us start with the fractions for 100%. What will be the fraction for the percentage 100? In order to convert any percentage into fraction, we divide the given percentage by 100. So in this case, 100% by 100 will be equal to 1. Now dividing these two numbers on the both side by 2, 100 by 2 is 50%, and 1 divided by 2. Again dividing these two numbers by 2 on both sides, that is 25% equals to 1 by 4. Again dividing these two numbers on both sides by 2, it becomes 12.5% and it becomes 1 by 8. Again dividing these two numbers on both sides, it becomes 6.25% and 1 by 16. Again dividing these two numbers on both sides by 2, it becomes 3.125% of 1 by 32. Now by drawing this logic, you are able to understand the concept of percentages, and if I ask you its application, that is 3.125% of 6400, it becomes 1 by 32 of 6400. The answer is 200. I hope you understand how important it is for us to understand the concept of conversion of percentages into fractions. Now further moving along with the table, let us take the next value. In the previous table, we found the value of 12.5% as 1 by 8. Now multiplying both sides by 3, we get 37.5%, and here it is 3 by 8. Multiplying the first value on both sides by 5, it becomes 62.5, and on the right hand side it becomes 5 by 8. Multiplying the first value on both sides by 7, it becomes 87.5%, and on the right hand side it becomes 7 by 8. Taking to the previous example on the first slide, 37.5% of 6400. Now we know the percentage equivalent, that is 3 by 8 into 64. It becomes 3 into 8, 2400. I hope you understood the concept of percentages. Now moving on with the further, 11 1 by 9 is 1 by 9. Multiplying both sides by 2, it becomes 22 2 by 9, and on the right hand side it is 2 by 9. 33 3 by 9% is 3 by 9. We can further reduce it to 33 1 by 3%, that is 1 by 3. Multiplying the first value on both sides by 4, 44 4 by 9% is 4 by 9. 55 5 by 9% is 5 by 9, so on. Now coming up to the next table, that is 9 1 by 11% is 1 by 11. Multiplying the first value on both sides by 2, it becomes 18 2 by 11% is equal to 2 by 11. Multiplying the first value on both sides by 3, it becomes 27 3 by 11%, which is equals to 3 by 11. Multiplying first value on both sides by 4, it is 36 4 by 11% equals to 4 by 11. Multiplying the first value on both sides by 5, that is 45 by 11, and it becomes 5 by 11. So on, multiplying on both sides to the first value with 6, 7, 8, 9 and so on. Now let us come to the next family, that is 8 1 by 3%. The fraction is equals to 1 by 12. Multiplying first value both sides by 2, it becomes 2 by 12, that is 1 by 6. Multiplying first value on both sides by 3, it becomes 25% and 3 by 12, that is 1 by 4. So on, we can move on with the table. Now coming to the last family, that is 14 2 by 7%. It is always equals to 1 by 7. Multiplying the first value on both sides by 2, it becomes 2 by 7. Multiplying the first value both sides with 3, it becomes 42 6 by 7%. So on, you can derive the values by using 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 as the multiples. I hope you understood how to memorize the percentage chart. These are certain values which look tedious in application, but it is very simple to operate when it comes to using them in the percentage chart. Thank you.